So later in this week, we are going to be looking at some written methods for multiplying. But before we do that, today we're going to look at efficient ways to multiply mentally, because it's always better to multiply in your heads mentally, if possible, first, before using any written methods. So efficient means the best or quickest way to do something. And if we do something mentally, then we try to do it in our heads. So I'm going to share 4 methods for efficient multiplication that you can do mentally in order to solve the same question, which is 25 times 8. The first method I'm going to share is called partitioning. In this method, I will partition, or I'll break up 25 into a 20 and a 5. So I can do 20 times 8, which is a nice easy sum to do in my head. I can do 2 times 8 is 16, so 20 times 8 is 160, and then plus 5 times 8, which is 40. And then I add them both together and I make 200. You'll see that I've used some jottings that are writing in red. Now, if you want to use jottings to help you, you're welcome to, but you don't have to use them. Method 2 is called using factor pairs. In this method, I'm going to break the 25 down into factor pairs, 5 times 5, and then multiply the 3 numbers together, which will be 5 times 5 times 8. Using the same strategy that we learned last Wednesday to do this. So this is what I've done. 5 times 5 times 8. So I've multiplied the 5 times 8 first. So using the bigger number first. So 5 times 8 is 40. And then I've used that spare 5 at the end to multiply my 40 by 5 to find the same answer. The 25 times 8 is 200. Method 3, I'm going to use multiplying by 10. Now 10 is a very easy number to multiply with. And as 8, which I'm multiplying with, is very close to 10, I can multiply the 25 times 10 and then take away, then subtract 2 times 25. Then we have done 25 times 8. So 10 times 25 is 250. 2 times 25 is 50. And if I take that 50 away, I'm left with 200. So again, I have worked out that 25 times 8 is 200. Now the final method I'm going to use is doubling and halving. So if I double 25, then I've got 50. And 50 is an easier number to multiply with because it's like multiplying by 5. At the end, I'll halve my answer because I doubled it at the beginning. So instead of doing 25 times 8, I've done 50 times 8 because 8 5s are 40. So 8 50s are 400. And then I've halved it and just divided it by 2 to find out again that 25 times 8 is 200. So here are 4 methods for efficient multiplication that you can do mentally. Like I said before, you can use jottings to help you, but if you can, try and do it all in your head. So when you're looking at the questions, decide which of these 4 ways is the most efficient, which is the best to use for each question. So as you go through the questions, you may use different methods at a time. So if you want to review these methods, rewatch the video. So there are 4 methods for efficient multiplication. Your job is to use them to solve the questions on the next page. Good luck.